Style really is not about what you're wearing, but about how you wear it and how you feel when you wear it. It's not about wearing what's in fashion, it's about what looks amazing on you. They're all completely different. So, it just stands to reason that we all should dress in silhouettes that suit us and flatter our bodies the most, and just enhances our curves, and you can also use it to hide the things that you don't really like about yourself, because there's always something that everyone doesn't like about. Everything's about balance and proportion. When I look at someone, I don't want to notice that someone's got big hips, and I shouldn't notice that that person's got big shoulders. I want to notice that that person is perfectly balanced, because that's the ideal to have, the balance and proportion and the unbroken lines as well. There's all these little things, of course, like long-waisted, short-waisted, long legs, short legs, long neck, short neck. Go from size 8 all the way to size 22, 26, 30, whatever there is. It doesn't matter what size you are. You have confidence and you've got conviction that what you're wearing is absolutely fantastic. You're going to have style